welcome back, guys. So I'd already started this video, but something happened to my SIM card, so good thing I checked it. But I got these fishing pole holders. They're a vertical mount, so they go like this. I mean, I guess they could go like this too. That is vertical, but they go like, I want them to sit like this, and in this way they're gonna hit my depth finder, and I want that to stay there. I don't want to move that. So I invented some little contraption I got here. I cut off the corners, sharp corners. I probably should cut off that one too. But anyways, so there's the concept. Got this piece of aluminum that I cut. So I'm gonna mount this somehow, like that. First I need to cut this to make it the same width. So let me get going on that real quick. And if you're cutting something small, make sure you made this little block. This is what I'm going to use. So hopefully it works. Make sure I got it exactly where I want it. Alright, man. Because I do have wires in here. Alright, just gave it a coat of paint. Do the second one. Okay, so we got 10 inches. We'll make it the same size. 5 3/4 to 7 3/4 for my hole. You don't know, anything you do custom is a fuckload of work. Alright, so this should match. Should be the same exact thing. And it is. So this is what I came up with. I took a piece of metal, instead of doing it the way I did this one, with the piece of metal, I'm still gonna keep this one like this, but instead of doing it the way I did this one, what I'm gonna do is I just took the piece of metal, put some composite in there, and I'm gonna pop rivet the sides here. Okay, so there's my piece. So I'll come over here. I'll show you guys. It's just like the first one, same shit. It's gonna go here. Same. Piece. Okay. So we're gonna put our strap in. I'm gonna have to repaint that though. One. Barely have even seen that. So, all right, and then back here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Just a little, something little. I'm assuming they sell something like this. But, all right, thank you for watching.